Okay, so for those of you who are interested in just watching the lap time, just keep watching. And for those of you who are interested in the specs of the car, just watch till the end. All right, I'm gonna head off now. For those of you who actually care for what this car is, it's just an MGZR 105. Integra rear disc conversion kit and EBC green stuff pads. Interior wise, nothing has really been changed. Minus the bushing upgrade, the actual James May radio, we had to unglue the damn thing. This button here isn't actually aircon, it's a manual fan override. I have 2 rally fans in the front to cool down this beast. So the car at the time of the video was running MGZR 160 struts, front and rear, and Apex Lauren springs, so nothing fancy. As for the engine side of things, getting into the real meat and potatoes, as you could say, it's a 1400k series. Yeah, if you hadn't watched the previous videos on this, you would have known that this was built on my mum's coffee table. Lotus Elise coil packs and leads, factory alloy intake manifold. It has fast road cams inside of it with the factory 421 manifold, a K-Maps ECU. There's nothing really special here at all. MLS head gasket on it. It's ported and polished on the exhaust side. I just thought I'd just do it while I was in there, just might as well. But I didn't touch the inlet side. Yeah, they're good enough. Unless you're going even faster, then there's no point really porting and polishing the intake side. And if anything, porting and polishing the intake, because it's not block injection, you'd actually lose power, because then the fuel would stick to the sidewalls, and the bumps are in there to atomize the fuel. So power flex are in there. It kind of makes the car judder a lot more, but again, no one's really using an MGZR to go to Asda anymore. They never were in the first place, but my point still stands. As for the rear of the car, again, it's all factory Jan speed. It's not a remake with the slash tip. It was, yes, I know what I know what I got. 4,000 grand. Okay, so some of you may notice in the video the glove box falls open. The reason being was they saw a young lad driving a car on foreign plates and thought, haha, we can make a lot of money off this guy. And then they started speaking in German to me and stuff, and little did they know, I've played these games before. Subscribe. I want to go home now because I'm really, really, really tired. So subscribe. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm going now.